Hello everyone! Kamusta po kayong lahat? So, for today's dinner, I'm going to cook fish fillet, breaded fish fillet. Here is our fish fillet. We're going to marinate it. Salt, lemon, pepper. Then we're going to massage in the fish the pepper. So while we are marinating, we're going to ready our breaded. For breaded, I'm going to use flour, garlic powder, pepper, paprika, chili powder, then a bit of parsley. Then mix it well. Eggs. Last ingredients is crispy breaded crumbs. Now we're going to make it ready our oil. First, we're going to put the fish here in the flour. Let it roll. Then take off the excess flour. Transfer here in the egg. And roll from here in your breaded crumbs. Just repeat again the same process. And set aside this. Now let's check our oil if it is hot. Now it's ready. We're going to put our fish. Now it's already cooked. We will dry it here. Here's my fish fillet. Thank you for watching my video, guys. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Mwah.